Hi friends, today I am going to tell you about land cover land use mapping in ArcGIS with digitization method. In our previous class, we already learned about the classification based mapping. So today here we are with another method. So first of all we need to know what is digitization. It is a process of converting information into a digital format. Here we can see an image and various features present within it. If we want to extract the system readable information from the image, we simply digitize the image and preserve the information. Now we will know how to digitize. There are mainly three digitization tool: point, line and polygon. For any kind of single features like ATM, electric pole, tube well location, we use the point tool. Then any kind of continuous features like railways, roads, any kind of transportation system, we will use line. Any kind of discrete but large aerial feature, we use the polygon tool. Now we going to first digitize. So for digitization purpose, we need to create a shapefile first. I want to create a shapefile in this folder. My working folder is this. So I'm just going to select the folder, right click here, going to new and new shapefile. So my shapefile will be in a polygon and I'm just naming it feature. It shows the unknown coordinate system here. I'm going to edit it and import the projection system from the image. So here my image is, so I'm going to projection system of that. The projection system of the image is WGS 1984 UTM zone 45 north. I'm just clicking it OK and just simply OK. Here you can see a feature shapefile has already been created, which is already open in my table of content. Now I just need to start editing tool. Then after the editing had been start, I'm just select the create feature tool. Okay, just select the feature and here I can see there are various options: polygon, rectangle, circle, ellipsoid and freehand. So first I will take the polygon and here we can see a plus sign we can see in the view bar. So we can digitize anything with the help of this tool. First I am digitizing the water body. This is a water body. Okay, here I am done. Then I am digitize, okay, the building. We can, in this way we can digitize each and everything from the image as per our necessity and zoom level how much you want. I am digitizing here different features and I am going to named it. Okay, here we can see a bunch of, we can say it a tree clad area or a forest. It's not forest, we can call it a shrubland. So we will simply digitize it. I am just roughly digitize the area just to tell you. You can digitize it at how much zoom level you want to. I am digitizing in very roughly, abruptly. I'm just doing the digitization feature in hollow and giving the border color in red so that I can see the within features. Okay, here this is a water body and I just need to extract it from the features. So I just select the polygon. This is the cut polygon tool. If we need to create another feature from a feature class, because I have already draw a polygon and I am just cut the features within the polygon, so I need to use the cut polygon tool, not create. Create is only used for new polygon, but I am cutting the polygon within. I have already created a polygon before and I want to cut the polygon within the created polygon, so I use the tool cut polygon tool. Here another water body I can see. Okay, now again create features, feature, polygon, and I am just going to extract the settlement area. This is the settlement area, and I am one more thing I just wanted to digitize to see you. This is a road and I'm just simply digitize it with a polygon. Okay, hence I am done. I'm just save my edits and I'm just going to named all the features. So just I will take the select bar selection tool, and I know this is a water body and I'm just here opening the attributes. Okay, this is the ID. First of all we need to create a field. First of all we just need to open the attribute table. We in attribute we can see two things, this FID and the shape. So here we going to add field. For that we just need to stop editing. Okay, and then add field will my name. I will give it a text 255, that is 255 characters we can write here. So it is complete. Then I just simply close it. Again we will start editing, going to the selection tool, just select the feature, and here in attribute we can see the name. So it is a water body. I am naming it water body. This is an industrial area. That is also industrial area. This is water body. This is the road, and finally this is a settlement part. Okay, now we just again stop editing and I want to save my edits. Yes, just simply go to the properties, labels. We just need to wait here. Okay, tick the level features in this layer. We will select the name, going to the 10, bold, apply. Okay, here we can see this is the naming is completed. If we take off the image, we can see here we've already digitize. This is an water body, this is the industrial area, this is also water body, this is a tree clad area, this is the road, the settlement. In this way we can digitize for showing purpose. If you want to change the color for highlight, okay, and I am also want to change the color of the letter because black is not so much clear here. So I am just simply select the red color and just apply it, and okay. Now we can see this is water body, this is industrial area, water body, tree clad area, settlement. We can simply digitize each and everything, how much level, zoom level we want to, and we can make an LULC map. Thank you, friends.